Всем привет! Welcome to my kitchen, AllasYummyFood. Look at these colorful flowers. Today I want to show you a different type of piroshki. They're called potato knish, and it's a funny name, I know. And these are like piroshki, so the dough is very similar but slightly different. And these are going to be filled with mashed potato. So guys, if you're vegetarian, or if you just love potato, or if you're just trying to have some more sort of meat-free dinners, these are the best. They're really good once they come out of the oven, and I like to eat them hot. And what I didn't think about before is that you can actually put a little bit of sour cream on top of each pirozhok and just enjoy it as a snack, as a starter, or just as a main course. Who knows, maybe you want to have 100 piroshki for dinner. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers. It's my goal, and only you can help me. So really appreciate all of you. Make sure you click the red subscribe button and then notification bell. This way you will get updated every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started.
In a jug, add water. Then you want to add oil. Then add egg and a little bit of vinegar. You want to then mix everything together until it's nice and smooth, and that's your wet mixture done. Into your KitchenAid, add plain flour, and then you want to add your wet mixture a little bit at a time and attach a dough hook. And mix everything on a low to medium speed while adding your wet mixture until the dough starts to come together. This process will take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your KitchenAid, or if you're doing this by hand, get ready to get sweaty. So once the dough is done, it should be nice, soft and elastic, just like this. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Next, you want to take your dough, place it onto a counter, make sure it's nice and floured, and then add more flour on top of your dough, and you want to knead it with your hands just a little bit until it kind of comes together and becomes very nice, soft and puffy. It should be very easy to work with it. Don't add any more flour, and then place a towel over it and leave it and set it aside. Take your potatoes, peel them off, and then do that with the rest of your potatoes. You then want to cut them into half and then half again. And we're doing this to make sure that they boil much faster. Then place them into a large pot with some cold water, and we're going to boil them for about 25 minutes or so. But keep checking them with a knife, and when they're ready, drain the water completely. In the meantime, I've chopped up some onion, and I'm going to fry it in butter to make it nice and caramelized. And then once our potatoes are done, we're going to add some seasoning, salt and pepper, butter, and our caramelized onions inside. And this will give it a really delicious flavor. So just mix everything together with the potato masher. And then once you feel like you're happy with the filling, you might want to add a bit more butter so it's nice and juicy and super creamy mashed potato. Chop up your parsley. You can use any other greens that you like, dill or coriander, and then add this into your mashed potatoes. You want to then mix everything together until the mixture becomes nice and even and beautiful in color. We've got the green, we've got the yellow. Look at that, stunning. Now take your dough, put more flour on top and around your counter, and then you want to start rolling it out with your rolling pin, upside down and on the sides until you sort of get a nice sort of even square. Then you want to take your potato, onion, parsley mixture and start putting it inside your dough, and you want to add a lot of filling on one side and middle and just all around your dough. Once you have added that, just smooth it out with your spoon and start rolling the dough, just covering the filling, and then you will get this nice sort of sausage shape. So then move it around and divide it in half and then cut off the middle. And then take your knife and just cut sort of same size bits for your piroshki. This makes quite a lot, so you can make them bigger, but I suggest this size as they are mini versions. Then pinch the bottom to seal the end to make sure that the filling doesn't come out. Spray some cooking spray on your baking sheet and place your piroshki on there. You want to make sure that all of the bottoms are sealed. I'll show you one more time how to do it. You just seal the bottom and you place it on top and then move it about to make sure that the filling comes out from the top. So just press down and create this kind of nice bubble shape. You want to do that with the rest of your piroshki and then make sure that you egg wash each and one of them. So just go around and then we're going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, or until they're nice and golden. Once they're done, they're gonna smell so delicious in your house, and look how cute they are. I absolutely love the size of them. If you do try any other fillings, do let me know and tell me how you got on. Leave them to cool down and then serve them on a plate. Enjoy them hot or warm, and if they get cold, place them in the oven or microwave to heat them up. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon.